Thank you for being in my kitchen where we're always on a mission to find nutrition, baby. Today I just wanted to do a simple little showing of this beautiful pineapple and this pineapple core right here. All right, we're looking for some vitamin C today, and I'm gonna test out this pineapple core. All right, it's already pretty cool. Look, it comes with a handle. It's 2 pieces, snaps right in place, locked and loaded. All right, the first step you gotta do though is cut the top off. So I stay ready. You stay ready, you ain't got to get ready. You just use a little bit of force, get that pineapple top right off, just like that. You feel me? So now what you want to do is line up the pineapple core right in the center as much as possible, okay? Now it's going to be very juicy, so you want to get a bowl to core it in, okay? So check this out. Real easy, real simple. You just twist it, just like that. Now it's going to go as deep as you want it to. So I'm going to go all the way, for tonight, I'm going to go all the way down to the bottom. Woo! Just like that. It's so juicy and delicious and nutritious, baby. You know what I'm saying? And if you had to do more than 1 or 2 of these, it can become a forearm workout, so it could be vicious too. Now look at that. Boom! Just like that. There's a little bit of pineapple juice. Woo! And a perfect little cup for us. We're going to save that for later. Check this out. Okay, I'm going to take out the cap just like that. Be careful, it's a little sharp down here. And let it slide. Beautiful, just like that. All right, you got some pineapple. Now, what I want to show you is I got a blender over here, okay? So we got some fruit going on. So we're going to make a little smoothie. I got orange and I got some frozen mango. P-O-N, baby. Pineapple, orange, mango. I'm going to put it in the blender right here. You can see it off camera. I got a blender over here, and I'm going to go ahead and take a knife to the pineapple, just like that. See how you can see it dicing up, just like this? Whew, and then you got nice little chunks, all right? Delicious. So we put some of the chunks into the blender. Woo! A little bit of water, just like that. Let me go ahead and get that blender on screen for you. Add some of the pineapple juice, and then it's time to let loose, just like that. But don't forget your kitchen workout too. You gotta maximize your time. So I'm gonna go ahead and let this thing blend up, just like this. Woo! That's what I'm talking about, baby. Maybe just let it blend up for about 8 reps. You feel me? Here we go. Check it out. I'm gonna unlock this blender top. Just like that, we're gonna pour it right into the pineapple. Bring that right in the frame. Woo! And I use some of the frozen mango, so it's a nice, chill drink that you can sip right out of. Vitamin C, here we come, baby. Thank you for being in my kitchen where we're always on a mission to find nutrition. You can go ahead and look at the website to get this pineapple core sent directly right to you. That's on a mission to findnutrition.com, baby.